everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most easiest beautiful flowers. Now this is a new washi tape, and it's not like a complete run of washi tape like your traditional washi tape, you know, where it's in a complete line. Okay, this is the one that goes with it. How beautiful is that? What this washi tape is, it's individual petals. So I'm going to show you how to make a lovely flower using that. But before I start, I just wanted to share these with you. They come today along with the lovely speciality washi tape, and it's called pressed petals. So this is one of the brand new sweets, and I just adore it. I've just had to share with you. So this is the 12 by 12 DSP. It's beautiful. So that looks like a photograph of beautiful flowers on a bit laid on a big sheet of burlap. It's slightly lighter weight than our standard Stampin' Up paper. But oh my goodness, look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to make something from this. So I just wanted to share it with you because I thought it was so pretty. And again, it looks like pressed petals, and then we've got the wood on that one. Let's have a look at the next one. I look at that one. You could cut those up obviously into individual sections for your cards or your journaling. You know, make journal cards out of it. I do junk journals and vintage journals. These would be awesome. You could make pockets out of them. I just think it's beautiful. And then we've got music paper on the other side. So imagine that if you're a journal maker on a tag with some machine stitching around. I just think it's beautiful. I really do. I just think it's lovely. And then here we've got the ferns. So it looks like you've put them, and that's burlap. It looks like you've put them, oops, I'm throwing things on the floor here. It looks like they've been put in a flower press. Absolutely beautiful. Let's have a look at the others. I like this one because it's got the blues. I think it's really pretty. And then on the back there we've got like advertisements. It's all to do with like gardening and things like that. I think it's awesome. It's right up my street. I think Stampin' Up really have hit the nail on the head this year with this catalogue. There's so many beautiful things. And again here we've got another that looks like, look at that on the back. Looks like dried flowers. So that's those. So I just wanted to come and share that with you. I'll be making some projects with that. I'll just pick up what I've dropped on the floor. I do apologise. So this is a stamp set that goes with it, Path of Petals. I didn't get the dies, and the reason I didn't get the dies is so that I could spend more money on stamps, basically. There you go. So the washi tape, you get it in a double pack like so. So that one is like, you know, vintage, what is it, like numbers and things like that, and some writing on. I can't quite decipher what it says. It's got basically writing on about, it says, as one red rose within a garden fair blossoms, sometimes and to perfection, blown amid it's nonsensical. I thought it was like something really poignant. It probably is all in one go, but no, it's nonsense. Moving swiftly on. It's super pretty though. So here we've got the petals, and they are individual. I'm going to zoom in ever so slightly. Now this is how I would do it, okay? Now I always do flowers. I always give them 5 petals, 5 petal flowers. It gives you a nice symmetrical look, a nice full shape. And what I've done here is I have, and it's again, this is just how I would do it. And the reason that I would mount it on a little circle, and I have used the 1/2 inch circle punch. And the reason I've done that is because then you could then take the whole flower and add a dimensional on it, put it to one side and save it for later, because obviously this is washi tape, so the whole of the petal is sticky. Okay, so this is just how I would do it. So I would start quite on the outer edge at 12 o'clock, like so, and then go there at about 20 past, and again going towards the outer edge as far as I can. Okay, and then one at the other side, like so. I haven't counted how many petals is on here, but you know, there's quite a lot. And then to get your 5 petal flower, you're actually going to use 6 petals, but you end up with a 5 petal look. I know what I mean. So we're going to put this one in the centre. Now we're going to go more towards the centre, and what that does is it brings these petals in ever so slightly, so that they look a little bit smaller than the outer ones. And then what you're doing is you're making sure you can still see those petals behind as well. Okay, and then that one will go there. Alright, now I've used very vanilla cardstock there. You could use, it would be really nice if you just used vellum, so that then you don't see it, but there are like some yellow flower centres that go with this. I didn't purchase them. It might be something I get as I go along. I thought I'd see what these were like first, and then you see I can peel that off, and I've then got that circle on the back then to help me attach that wherever I want it, if I don't necessarily want it adhering straight down. And then for my centre, what I would use, I think that's super pretty. For my centre, what I would use is I mean, as I say, you can get the actual ones that go with it, but I would use one of the glitter enamel dots. We've got yellow ones there. I've got some of the gold faceted gems left. I can't think if they carried over or not, but that's what I'm going to use on this one. Okay. Not that one. That one. Just attach that in the corner there. And of course, if you want a fuller flower, you can add more petals. So you could carry on building and building and building so that you've got a bit more depth to your flower if you so desired, but you know, it's not necessary. So there we've got a lovely flower with all the lovely colours in it, already done for you. You don't have to punch anything out, you don't have to ink anything, you don't have to do anything, it's just done. And it's you know, you can attach that to your cards or your boxes or your tags or whatever you like, and it's good to go. So I just thought I'd quickly do a really quick demonstration of the Pressed Petals Speciality Washi Tape so that you could have a look, and the colours on that are absolutely beautiful. So there you go. Where shall I stick it? Shall I put it on there? You've now got a beautiful, beautiful glue holder. Thanks for watching. I've got another video coming shortly, and I will see you very soon. Bye.